1. The Restless Warrior. More than 2,000 years ago, in a small village on the edge of a dusty plain in northern India, a young warrior named Arjun could not sleep. Tomorrow his army would march to battle. But tonight, his mind would not rest. His heart was racing. His breathing was shallow. Every sound in the darkness felt like danger. In modern terms, Arjun's nervous system was trapped in survival mode. But at that time, people did not speak about cortisol or the sympathetic nervous system. They spoke about balance, and Arjun had lost his. 2. The healer of the village. In the village lived an old healer named Vaidya Rishi. People traveled from distant regions to seek his knowledge. He was trained in the ancient science of Ayurveda, a system of medicine already thousands of years old. When Arjun visited him before dawn, the healer listened quietly. He did not ask about the battle. He asked only one question. Does your mind run like a wild horse at night? Arjun nodded. The healer smiled. Then he walked into a garden behind his house. 3. The mysterious root. In the dry soil grew a small plant with thick roots hidden beneath the ground. The healer carefully pulled one from the earth. This plant, he said, has helped many warriors before you. The root was called Ashwagandha. In Sanskrit, the name means the strength of a horse. Ancient healers believed the plant could give both strength and calmness, a rare combination. 4. The preparation. The healer ground the root slowly with a stone mortar. He mixed the powder with warm milk and spices. The drink was bitter, earthy, and strong, but Arjun drank it anyway. Because in that moment, fear was stronger than taste. The healer told him something unusual. Your enemy tomorrow is not the army across the field. It is the storm inside your body. 5. The unexpected effect. That night, something changed. For the first time in many days, Arjun's breathing slowed. The tension in his muscles softened. And slowly the warrior fell asleep. Not the restless sleep of fear, but the deep, heavy sleep of recovery. 6. Ancient observation. For centuries, Ayurvedic healers observed the effects of ashwagandha. They used it to help people recover from exhaustion, illness, and emotional stress. But they did not explain it using hormones or neurotransmitters. Instead, they spoke about restoring balance to the body's energies, known as doshas, especially the one associated with movement and nervous activity, vata. 7. A discovery thousands of years later. Modern scientists eventually began studying the plant. Inside the roots, they discovered natural compounds called ethanolides. Research suggests these molecules may influence how the body responds to stress. Some studies even show that ashwagandha can help reduce cortisol levels, the hormone linked to chronic stress. In other words, the ancient healer might have understood something important long before modern laboratories existed. 8. The modern battlefield today. Most people are not warriors, but their nervous systems still fight battles every day. Endless notifications, artificial light, chronic stress, and constant mental stimulation. Many people today experience the same problem Arjun had thousands of years ago. A body that cannot relax, and a mind that cannot sleep. 9. The moral of the story. The story of ashwagandha reminds us of something powerful. Ancient medicine was not only mythology, it was careful observation of nature and the human body. And sometimes those observations were incredibly accurate. Today, as science and technology explore new ways to understand the nervous system, we may rediscover that some of the most powerful solutions were already growing quietly in the soil, waiting to be noticed again.